Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyoto-kan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll introduce how to make Tonjiru. Ton means pork, jiru means soup. And Tonjiru is written by like this. I'm sure Tonjiru is one of the most popular miso soup. Tonjiru is very healthy and tasty, and we can get many vegetables from it. And I recommend to make Tonjiru a lot. Of course, freshly cooked Tonjiru is delicious, but the leftover is also great. The ingredients absorb the flavor well. I hope you will enjoy Japanese popular miso soup, Tonjiru. Yes, let's make it.
At first, I'll prepare dashi. I'll use niboshi. However, you can use other dashi as well. The many ingredients give nice flavor to the soup, so you can skip niboshi. I remove the head and innards because they are a little bit bitter taste. Good, I've done everything. I add the niboshi to the water. I'll leave it for a while. Next, I'll cut the ingredients. Tonjiru with lots of ingredients is very delicious, so I recommend to add many vegetables. First, this is white radish. I peel off the skin. I divide it into quarters. Okay, I turn it. I cut it into quarter rounds. This cutting way is called ichogiri. Icho means ginko. I recommend to cut it a bit thicker. It absorbs the flavor and it will be delicious. Okay, next, carrot. I cut the both sides shortly. And peel off the skin. Okay, good. I divide it into half and cut it into half moons. Nice. Next, burduck. Is this vegetable popular in your country? The taste of it is earthy and the texture is nice crunchy. I always use it to make tonjiru. I cut it into diagonally. I slice it about 3 mm to enjoy the nice crunchy texture. Good, I set it aside. Next, sweet potato. Today I use a half of it. In fact, this is not a common ingredient to make tonjiru, but my mother often uses it to make tonjiru. I like this sweet taste. You can use a potato instead of it. I cut it into quarter rounds as well. Done. Next, konjac. Konjac is called konjac in Japan, and konjac is made from konjac potato. The texture of it is unique, like a jelly. Konjac is mainly produced in Gunma Prefecture. Gunma Prefecture is in Kanto region. Gunma Prefecture is here. It's not far from Tokyo. Konjac potato is produced over 90% of Japan in Gunma Prefecture. I cut it into half and slice it. Okay, I transfer it to the tray. Finally, spring onion. I divide it into white and green part. I cut the green part at 1 cm intervals diagonally. Then I cut the half of the white part at the same way. Okay, I set it aside. Next, I cut the remaining white part into thin slices. I use it in raw and top it on tonjiru. Okay, I transfer it to the water. I stir it and keep it for a while to remove the pungency. Okay, I've got all ingredients. I add them to the dashi. White radish, carrot, and burduck, sweet potato, konjac, finally spring onion. Okay, I'll heat it. At first, I cook it over high heat. I stir it. Okay, meanwhile, I drain the spring onion in a sieve. Okay, I keep it in the fridge. It starts to boil. Once I turn off the heat, I add the sliced pork to it. When I add the pork, I loosen it as soon as possible. Okay, then I reheat it. It boils again. I remove the foam carefully. It is important to make delicious tonjiru. Nice. I turn down the heat to low. I heat it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, the color of the white radish becomes transparent. The ingredients have cooked well. Then I add the miso. I transfer the soup to the miso and start it to dissolve into the soup. We don't usually measure the miso, but today I use 65 grams of miso, and the water is 1200 grams. We can add grated ginger and garlic to it, but it's up to you. I'm sure the flavor of them goes well with tonjiru, and the ginger makes us warm. Okay, good. I add it to the soup. I transfer the soup to the bowl again and return it. I stir it. Okay, I simmer it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I taste it. If it's thin, please add more miso. If it's too thick, please add more water. Perfect. Okay, done. I turn off the heat. Let's arrange it on a bowl. I use this soup bowl. The look of the ingredients is so delicious. Nice. Good. And then I top the spring onion. Beautiful. In Japan, some people use this shichimi chili pepper. Shichimi chili pepper is mixed of the red pepper and other spices. Okay, tonjiru is done. I hope you will enjoy Japanese popular miso soup, tonjiru.
Thank you. Have you ever eaten tonjiru? We enjoy tonjiru through the year, and we can add the onion, potatoes, spinach, and eggplant as well. I hope you will enjoy Japanese popular miso soup, tonjiru. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.